How to verify your identity on Fiverr. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bimbisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your identity at Fiverr. Now, I'm on the official support page of Fiverr here. So as you can see, it'll ask you for government identity document ID. In some cases, completing the process is necessary to offer your services on Fiverr. Completing on this process may also get you an identity verified badge. Now, ID verification. If you start the verification process on your desktop, you'll be given two options to be redirected to a mobile device. So you can do it on your mobile or you can do it on a laptop. Once starting the process on your mobile device, you'll be required to add. So you'll have to require a clear photo of an official government ID, that is driver license, passport, etc. from the list of available documents dependent on your country of residence. You'll have to take a real-time selfie. What you'll have to note is photo must be taken in a well-lit space, are clear and sharp, and aren't cut off in any way. This increases the chances of the photos being approved. Do not take photos of scanned images of yourself or the ID because it will not be accepted. So this way you can verify ID on Fiverr. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.